In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on the Notifications section. Following that, select App Notifications here and click on Most Recent to pick one of those sorting options. Finally, you can click on those orange sweaters on the right to block all notifications from chosen apps, or click on grey ones to turn them back on. You can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!